What we're going to be looking at today is our worded problems. So first of all, I'm going to do the first question. A camera is reduced by 5% in a sale. The sale price is $15.20. What was the original price? Now there is the thing, we are looking for the original price. So I had some amount and it was reduced by 5% in the sale. So if it was reduced by 5% in the sale, what did I need to multiply by? I was only paying 95%. Well done, boys. And girls, sorry. Girls out there. 95%. And I got an answer of $15.20. So what I need to do here is opposite of times is going to be divide. So $15.20 divided by 9.95. So if I put my little calculator up, that is going to be $15.20 divided by 0.95, and I get 16. So the original amount was 16. Okay, and so on and so forth. Please show all your working, and off you go.